Hi everyone! For math today we are going to talk about area. We'll continue with that. Area is the space inside of something. So we're going to take a look at the space inside of maybe what your bedroom could look like. Now, today I am going to call it square units. Yesterday, you guys were learning about things in square inches. Square inches are just how we would measure things, just like we would use centimeters or meters or inches or feet. So the square inches is how we would measure the area of something, because it's like we have those little squares, right? So our squares could be centimeters, really, really tiny. They could be inches, they could be feet, or they could be meters, and even bigger, right? What we're going to take a look at is square units today, and we could replace units with centimeters, meters, inches, feet, whatever we would like. So I have my bedroom, or a bedroom here on my little grid there. What I want to take a look is how much space we have inside of our bedroom and how much space the things in our bedroom would take, right? So if we had nothing in our bedroom, it would seem a lot bigger than what it is. But we have items, we have furniture in our bedrooms, and that takes up space, right? So the very first thing that everyone should have in their bedroom is a bed. Before I place my bed in the bedroom, I want to count how many square units this bed is. So again, we can just count the square units that are inside here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So keep that in your head for a second while I place this bed. 24 square units. I'm going to place my bed right up top here. Okay, I've got my bed on there. And my bed was 24 square units. It takes up 24 squares. My next object is a rug. A rug. Sometimes, maybe you have a rug, maybe you don't in your bedroom, but we're going to have one in this bedroom. Let's count how many square units this rug takes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one takes up 9 square units. I'll place my rug right here, I think, right beside the bed. That way you can put your feet on something nice and cozy in the morning. 9 square units was the rug. Next is my dresser. So we need a place to keep our clothes in our bedroom. I've got a dresser here. Let's count how many square units this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our dresser is 8 square units. I think I'll place it right here. So it's 8 square units. The next one I have is a nightstand. Nightstand's a nice place to put little things like water bottles you might want in the middle of the night. So this nightstand is 1, 2, 3, 4 square units. If you want things in the middle of the night, it should go right beside our bed. Okay, it is 4 square units. My last thing is a bookshelf. Can you count how many square units it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 square units. I think I will put my bookshelf in the corner of my bedroom right here. And I'll put it right here. 6 square units. So this has helped me figure out So sometimes we use square units to try and figure out if things will fit in a room or in another object that we have or in like a car, something like that. So it's important to learn about area because it helps us figure out how much space something takes up, which I know some of you have moved houses or are soon going to move houses, and it's important and it helps us by trying to figure out if like all of the items we have in our bedroom now will fit in our new bedroom, or all of the other items you have in your kitchen and living room are going to fit in the trailer that you need to take to move into your new house, or how much of those items will fit in the trailer to take to your new house. So it is handy for us to learn. What I would like you to do is open up to page 301 and 302 in your textbook. You're going to do something very, very similar on page 301. Instead of a bedroom, though, it is a canoe. So Hannah and Ethan are going on a canoe trip, fun, with their parents. How much area in the bottom of the canoe is covered by the tent? So what you need to do is find which one is the tent, count how many square feet it is. It could be square inches, square units. This is in feet. And write how many square feet there are. Then by the sleeping bag, count how many square units it is, write it down. By the backpack, same thing, find the backpack, write it down. By the ice chest, same thing, find the ice chest, count how many square units and write it down. Then it says, is the area of the canoe greater than or less than 50 square feet? So that means you're going to need to count all of the squares inside of the boat, including the ones covered by the items, including even some half ones, to figure out if it's more or less than 50. If it's more, circle greater than. If it's less, circle less than. Then you are going to turn the page. And here we have a sail for a sailboat, just kind of like this one down here. What I want you to do is try and find the area for this sail. So you're going to color all of the whole squares. It's a complete square, no sides are missing. One color you can choose, maybe it's blue. And then you're going to color the half squares, so ones that look more like triangles, a different color. So if you colored one blue, pick green instead, or orange instead, whatever colors you choose. You're going to count 2 of the half squares as one square and tally each time you count a whole square. So I could count starting with my half squares. There's 2 here, but I would count it as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I would count all my whole squares and put the tally in the little green box here. Now we're going to do some review here and do some adding or subtracting. So if you need to, feel free to draw that line between the 10s and the 1s to help you keep your thoughts organized a little bit. And make sure you're paying attention to if it is adding the plus sign or if it is subtracting the minus sign, and answer the questions. Then you are done your work for today.